Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you. And of course, if you're back from a previous video, then thank you so much for coming back because I really do appreciate it. Alright, so let's just start this video and dive right in because I am super excited for this product I'm about to try because who doesn't like trying out new products? Honestly, I mean, I love trying out new products, especially if it's to, take care of yourself, pamper yourself, you know what I mean? All right, so this was generously and graciously sent to me by Somerfield. They are a hair care, professional hair care system company. They're called Somerfield Professional Hair System. They sent me 2 packages. They sent me this professional hair mask cap, which has hydrolyzed silk, avocado oil, jojoba seed oil, honey extract, royal jelly extract, and this is all for damaged hair. They also sent me this protein booster, and this tells you that it is a highly concentrated protein treatment that uses cysteine complex to strengthen and restore the damaged hair from bleaching, straightening, and perm to its healthy state. Let's go ahead and open this up and see how it can help my damaged hair. Alright, so again, that's the package. We shall take a look inside of it. It comes with 3 packages. 1, 2, 3. So you get a decent amount. And so this tells us, if you read the directions, you need to shampoo your hair and then remove excess water with your hand. So I did shampoo my hair and I did, my hair is still a little bit wet. So excess water has been removed. And it says, place the cap over your head, enclosing all your hair inside. Fasten the cap using the stickers at the bottom. Massage gently to allow cream to seep into hair. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the cap and rinse your hair with warm water. Alright, and it says once you open it, you have to use it immediately. So, let's try it out. Alright, so here's my hair. Right? A little bit damp. So, we're going to open this up. Ooh, I'm so excited to use this. You have no idea. Alright. Super excited. Alright, so taking this package out. Now we're going to open it up. This is what it looks like so far. Alright, so I opened it up, and when you open it up, it has the product inside the cap. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Let me just twist my hair up so I can actually put my entire head into this cap. Ooh, there you go. Ooh! Feels a little cold in here. So make sure all my hair is inside the cap. And then taking this little sticker you see back here. Hopefully you guys can see it. There's like a little sticker tab. It tells you in direction to use this sticker to stick it around so you can keep this in place. Just kind of tighten this up in the back. Trying to do this with one hand. It's not easy. Alright, so a little sticker right here. Fasten that up in the back. I know my hair's in a bun, but I want to try and loosen it up a little bit. Sorry guys, I keep looking at the mirror and the viewfinder because I need to know what I'm doing. Alright, it tells us massage gently to allow cream to soak into hair. So, up close again. Alright, so I have it on my head. I massaged it. Alright, so we're going to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it massage in my hair. And let this all penetrate and soak in. And then I'll be right back. Alright. I am back, and it has been roughly like 10, 15-ish minutes, maybe like 12 minutes. And all I did was watch a YouTube video, so it was like 12-minute video. And then now I'm back, and I'm going to take this hair mask off, and let's just read one more time what it tells us to do. Remove cap and rinse your hair with warm water. So I'm going to remove my cap, rinse my hair, and I'll be right back to show you guys the final result. Alright, hey everyone, I'm back, and I washed my hair and let my hair dry and fixed it all up and all that good stuff. And I have to say, you guys, this product is amazing. It is my first time using it, and I have honestly nothing but good things to say about it. It, like, when you're washing your hair, I wish I can take the camera in with me and show you guys, but I don't want to show you when I'm taking a shower or washing my hair. But when you use this and you're washing your hair and you wash that product off, you can immediately feel how soft and how like silky smooth your hair feels. It just feels really nourished, and I really think the hair mask penetrates into your hair and just makes it feel nice and soft and smooth. And even afterwards, after you dry your hair or air dry it, it feels nice and soft. I can't tell if you can see through the camera or see through the camera if you can see like how soft my hair is. I mean, honestly, I'm just really glad I got this opportunity to show you guys how amazing this product is. I freaking love my hair right now. It feels so soft, so silky. I mean, look. Look, this hair right here, that's some soft hair. Look how soft it flows. That's pretty amazing. Alright, you guys. I mean, I have nothing but good things to say about this stuff. This is amazing. This is, again, the hair mask I tried out. And I do have 2 more here. So, pretty excited about these 2. Now, the other product I gotta show you guys is the protein booster, which I mentioned earlier. And this requires you to shampoo your hair. You're supposed to apply this to damp hair. Alright, so this product, there's going to be a part 2 to this video. Obviously, I'm not going to go back in the shower and wash my hair. I've already, you know, done that. So we're going to use this in a part 2 video. However, if you are interested in getting this product, which I do, again, highly recommend. I mean, you can't go wrong with this, honestly. There is avocado oil, jojoba seed oil, honey extract. I mean, so many good stuff in here that I do recommend it. So if you want to get your hands on this and get a really good discount on it, go ahead and use my code KWAK10. That's KWAK10, KWAK10, and you get 10% off your discount. You know, a little discount for you, a little help for me. You know, it's kind of like a win-win situation. You know, there's no catch-22, so we all win here. So Kwak10, KWAK10, and get your hands on this. Go check out their website. They have, honestly, it's not just this product hair mask they have. They also have like other hair masks that's more tailored to your hair type. So go ahead and check their website out. I do highly recommend it, and their website looks so pretty, so why not check it out? Alright, I'll put their description and their link all down below in the description box below, so scroll down, check that out. Plenty of good information down there. And my next video, whenever that hair video will be, which will be sometime this week or next, I'll post a part 2 of this, so stay tuned. And to know when I post this, go ahead and turn on that notification bell or post notification. That way when I do post this, you'll be the first to know, and you'll know how exactly this works. Because, I mean, if this was that amazing, I mean, this has to be really amazing too. Come on. So I'm pretty excited for this. This will be a part 2 video. But for now, this is the product I used. So yeah. What else? If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and become part of the family. Alright, so click subscribe. That would mean the world to me. If you like videos like this, of course, click that like button down below. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye. Phoenix, you on camera? Cute little people. Hey, what you doing? Don't bother me. Bye-bye.